Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Talk English with Dr. Sarika. Today I am going to discuss with you something very different. Today's topic is how to stay motivated while speaking English. Most of the time what happens that we start our practice, we do it for 1 week, 2 weeks or 3 weeks and then we leave it in between. And here there is a need of a motivation. English speaking is not just about learning grammar or not just about improving vocabulary, but it is also about motivation. Somewhere you need motivation in order to keep your practice or in order to be consistent in your practice. So today I am going to share with you some more powerful tips that will keep you motivated all the time in order to speak English, and you will be consistent in your practice and you enjoy your journey of English speaking. Let us be honest. We start our practice in a very strong manner and with a strong desire, and somewhere we lose interest. This happens because you feel that English is a difficult language, or you think that you are very slow, you will never be fluent, and still after practicing 2-3 weeks you are still making mistakes. So that's why you lose your interest and you leave practice of speaking English. But the truth is that you are not slow, but you are progressing day by day, and making mistake is very natural, and you are improving day by day. You will not make mistake after a month or two, and fluency takes time. That's why you have to be motivated. You have to keep your practice. So let us see how to remain motivated, how to be consistent while practicing English speaking. I will give you some practical ways that will help you to remain motivated all the time. The first thing is that your purpose of English speaking must be very clear. Your why must be very clear. That why you want to practice English speaking, that must be very clear. Whether you want to become a lecturer, whether you want to become a teacher, whether you want to get a good job, whether you want to get a promotion, or whether you want to start your English speaking academy. What is the purpose for which you are struggling to speak English? So your purpose must be very clear. Once your purpose becomes clear, then you remain motivated, because your purpose is very clear. You know why you are doing all these things, and you know the reason very well, and that's why you will continue your practice. Not only you have to find out your why, or not only you have to find out your purpose, but what you have to do, you have to write this purpose on a paper and fix that paper in such a place where you can see that objective or purpose maximum times in a day. So what will happen? It will keep you motivated, because whenever you will see that purpose, you will think that you will have to do something for that. You have to keep practicing English speaking. So that purpose itself will keep you motivated to continue your practice. The second important thing is that you have to shift from motivation to habit, because motivation comes, it remains for some time and it goes. That's why when motivation goes, you leave your practice. So in order to be consistent, you have to convert your motivation to habit. So how will you convert this into habit? You have to continuously practice at least for 21 days. After 21 days, it will convert into a habit and you will go on continuing your practice. So for 21 days, every day you have to do something to improve your English. You have to listen for 5 minutes. If you don't get 5 minutes, listen for 1 minute. If you did not get time for 1 minute, then you can say only one sentence aloud in English. or if you do not get that much time, then you can learn only one word a day. So if you do like this on daily basis, you will definitely remain motivated and you will continue your practice and you will improve your English speaking day by day. So try to convert your motivation into habit, and once it will become habitual for you, automatically speak in English without spending much time or without purposefully spending 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you will start speaking automatically. The next important thing is that you have to create atmosphere around you. So why this atmosphere is important? Because once you will create atmosphere, you yourself will automatically start speaking English. How to create atmosphere? Then if your language of mobile is your mother tongue, you have to change your mobile language. You have to reply your friends in English only. You have to comment on social media in English only. Wherever possible, try to speak English, try to write English. In this way, you have to create atmosphere in order to speak English. This will also help you to remain motivated all the time. Every time, whenever you do anything, try to speak in English, try to talk to yourself in English, and this will also help you. The next important thing is that do small things. Don't take burden of speaking English. Do small things on a daily basis because your brain loves small things. But if you spend 5 minutes, 10 minutes on daily basis, it will be easy for you and you can achieve the target very easily. Set small goals. You can say that I will spend only 3 minutes. I will listen audio for 3 minutes. Or you can set small goal like I will write only 5 minutes tonight. So such small goals will also lead you towards big results. That's why set small goals and stay motivated all the time. Your brain learns better in short and regular time than spending too much time in stressful way. So that's why speak for few minutes on daily basis. One more important thing that you can do is don't think negative. Think only in a positive way. Never say that I can't do it. Your brain feels that it is difficult for you. But you have to say I am improving my English. Day by day I am making improvement. Like this you have to be positive. So if you talk positive, your brain will make progress. And if you talk negative, your brain will stop the progress. That's why stay all the time talk positive about your English speaking. One more thing that you have to do is that you have to make your English speaking very funny and interesting. There are so many ways that it will make your English speaking journey very funny and interesting. How to make it funny? That you can watch comedy shows, you can play word games. So through such kind of things, you can create interest of English speaking. Before that, it may feel difficult for you, but after doing all these things, you will feel easy to learn English. You will think that it is a very interesting language and it will also help you to stay motivated. So that's why watch comedy shows or play word games that will create interest for you and it will also keep you motivated to speak English day by day. Use English while talking, walking or doing household work. Wherever you go, you can start speaking English. In this way, you can make English funny and interesting. So in such way, you can stay motivated to keep your practice, keep your English speaking practice, and you will remain consistent in your practice. The next important thing that you have to do is that track your progress. This will also motivate you to remain consistent in your practice. How? Take a review of whatever you have learned throughout the week on weekend. And on weekend, you will find what kind of words you have learned, what kind of new sentences that you have learned in this week, how much time you have spent in order to speak English. And once you take a review, it will encourage you to speak more or do more for English. That's why take a review of whatever you have done throughout the and you will find that I have done so many things for my English and my English is improving, and this positive thought will motivate you to do more things or to continue your practice. So in this way you will continue your practice and you will stay motivated. It will encourage you to do more and more things. It will help you to go ahead in your English speaking journey. Whenever you take such kind of a review, you can celebrate that small wins. Suppose you have learned 5 words in a week and in the next week you have learned 10 words. You have to celebrate that you are progressing, that you are improving. So that's what you have to celebrate. If you celebrate, you are encouraging yourself to do more and more positive things in order to speak English. So celebrate small wins also. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be show up every day. That is what required in order to speak English. Motivation is equal to progress. Progress is equal to confidence, and confidence is equal to fluency. So in this way you have to remain motivated in order to reach towards your goal of a fluency. So stay motivated all the time and follow all these tips in order to stay motivated. I have told you all the ways to remain motivated. Which way or which tip you like most in order to remain motivated, tell me in comment box. If you find the information in this video is important, subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you like this video, click on like button, and if you find the information in this video is significant, then share this video to others. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.